Hi everybody, welcome to my video. This is the video I've been promising you guys for a long time. Today I'm going to start out showing you some of my expressionist pieces that make my bread and butter, guys. Now I don't sell these on eBay or any other place like that. I have collectors that just buy these straight up for me, so just letting you know that now. These are not for sale anywhere. And these other ones are here on the table are, so they'll be on my eBay or my website store at Bird3464 or on FoltzFineArt.com. Okay, so let's get this baby started. I dress up today, guys. I wear a little tie. I shrunk, but anyways, let's get this baby going. This is one of my first pieces. You know what? Before I get started, I want to give thanks to Butters and Bears for giving me this idea. This is what I do in a session, guys. I paint 25 to 30 paintings a night in one of my sessions, and I'm going to go ahead and just show you kind of some of the expressionist pieces I do. Now I separated everything because it's easier that way, so I'm going to be doing two videos. That way it's easier for you guys to understand. But when I am doing a painting station, I just mix and match, do whatever I feel. You know, if my personality kicks into or I feel like doing one of these, I do that. If I just feel like doing a regular abstract, I switch over to that right away. So I have a personality disorder, but it helps me to be able to be real creative, and I get things really going, and I usually get about 25 to 30 pieces done in a night. That's my session, and I do this every day, non-stop, every day. Anyways, here's one of the pieces that's going out. It's already purchased. So hopefully you'll like this piece. This one's called Reflections of Ugly. It's a very interesting piece. I don't really show my expressionist pieces too often on YouTube, but I wanted to show a few of my friends, some of my works that I do. And so that's one of my pieces that I just did. Very heavy piece. I'm gonna lay it over here. Ugh, these lights are bright. I like to protect my eyes as much as possible. Yeah, cool. Anyways, another piece. I can't really say the name of this one because it's too nasty to say. But let's just say it's Big Pea Freak. I don't know. I can't really. I think you can kind of tell what it is. Anyways, yeah, this piece here is already a promise piece also, and this is going somewhere real far away. Hope you like this piece. These are my risky pieces. I can't really sell too many of these on eBay. And of course, this beauty up here, another big piece of mine. So that's about all the risque stuff I'm going to be showing you right now. I'm going to take this off the easel for now. Hopefully, did you get the name of that one? Okay. And of course, you guys see me paint this on YouTube. I painted it a long time ago when I first started painting on YouTube. And a lot of people say, man, Mark, you should have more subs by now. Well, I didn't have very many subs because I painted just this. Scared a lot of people off. That's okay. So anyways, yeah, this is what I do most of the time, 90% of the time. But I also do abstracts, and I also teach abstracts, so hopefully you guys like what I'm doing here. Now, let's get on to some of the other stuff that I do. Oh, wait a minute, one last piece. Another expressionist piece. Like that piece, guys? It's called Shriek, okay? Not Shrek, Shriek. Also, Der Schriek in German. So I'm German. Okay, so hopefully you like that piece. And now let's talk about a little bit of my outsider pieces. Here's one of them. Of course, I got influenced by when I went to the lake that day because I got attacked by some crazy wild demon dog. So that's the name of the painting, Wild Demon Dog. And I made it an expressive outsider piece. And these are my top sellers here. I sell these the minute I put them out. And let's keep on moving along right now. Another piece, another outsider piece. This is what I'm best known for, some of my best outsider works. I have places in Paris and Germany that buy my works, and in France. This one's called Frenemies. And moving right along. Another piece. This one here is called Friends Forever. And you can see the little skeleton dude. So, anyways, there's more to this stuff than I can explain here, but okay, here's some of my darker pieces. This one's called Looking Death in the Face. Yeah, I get a little mental sometimes, a little bit depressed, and I paint a lot of creepy, darker stuff. So that's just what I do. These sell very well They sell very well. Here's a little bit more brighter, happier kind of painting. This one's called Trying to Find Myself. Because we all try to find ourselves. We're all kind of just always searching. And I don't think anybody really knows themselves, so everybody's trying to find themselves. That's what I'm doing. So, I mean, I found myself and I already know where I'm at, but sometimes I have to try to find myself when I'm doing the painting and figure out what I'm doing because I switch off so much. Anyways, hope you like that piece. And wow, another one of my favorite pieces. This one's called Test Me. Yes, it's pretty much self-explanatory. Hopefully my cameraman can get that. Test Me. Anyways, it's the outsider piece. I just do it with a blob of paint, guys, and then I just start making up and feeling it and putting the character into action. That's what I'm best known for, making these characters. Man, let me show you this larger piece I just did. This one's kind of neat. I got this infatuation with graveyards and seeing UFO sightings in graveyards because I seen my first UFO sighting in a graveyard back in 1986. So I've been painting all kinds of pieces of art with graveyard scenes and UFO sightings and scenes of that. And I do them in an outsider kind of a characteristic way, just to kind of keep the fun spirit of things. But really, when I saw what I saw, it kind of was scary. So I never could explain it. But I've seen a lot of sightings since then. Anyways, hope you like this piece. Cool. All these works can be found on eBay or on my web store. This one's called Big Demon in My Mind. And of course, that reflects me. And so, you know, life always kind of reflects life. Life always reflects art and vice versa. And so this is kind of like a big demon in my mind. Yeah, nerve-wracking. Kind of nervous showing you guys these pieces. I don't really share these too much, but I do sell them. So this one's called Forced Date. This one reminds me of a lot of things. I have a lot of, never mind, I'm not going to go into that, but Forced Date. Anyways, hope you guys like this one. A lot of you women could relate to this one. Yeah, one of my favorite pieces. Okay, and here's another one. This is kind of a weird painting. A little adult inside here. This is called Doggy Style, done in a Cubist style method. Yeah, it's a little dark and a little weird, but some people dig this. I haven't varnished any of these, so I got to get varnish in here. I just wanted to show you this because it takes a long time for these to dry up. So, and this one's called Sexy Bee. You know the rest of the word. So that was pretty cool. And you guys, I thumbprint them. I thumbprint them in the back, and I add my name. That's what I always do. I have to do that now because I have so many people trying to mimic what I do. And so I have to make sure that I sign everything, fingerprint, DNA, everything. And another piece here called Half the Man I Used to Be. Some of us feel that way sometimes, and I kind of put that into feeling, and I smeared it out. And kind of like this piece. Kind of disappeared a little bit there. Okay, I think that's it for now, guys. I appreciate you coming by and checking out my Expressionist pieces. Stay tuned for part 2, or I'm going to show you some of my just regular abstracts. And all my abstracts have a little bit of a darker kind of feel to them too, but they're just normal abstracts. But stick around for part 2, and you will like it, I guarantee it. Thanks, guys. Peace out.